The OCC is one of the most dynamic and exciting areas of the airline. This is really as it says in the title, the operations center, right? It's the heart of the operation. It's where decisions are made, which flights go with which aircraft, and how are we going to crew that particular flight. Essentially, we have maintenance control, dispatch, and crew scheduling. No day is ever the same. I think for that reason, it really attracts, problem solvers. Crew schedulers are dealing with, 700 different crew members on the phone constantly. And when problems do arise, you often have to think quickly and come up with innovative, out-of-the-box solutions. There are really many reasons to work in the OCC. This new building that we're in now, it's really state-of-the-art. We have monitors on the walls which supply dispatchers and crew schedulers with information constantly. We have new desks that are sit-stand. Salisbury is a great place to work. It's a small town, but also we have the benefit of having the Chesapeake Bay to the west of us and Ocean City to the east of us. As a full-time Piedmont employee, you get the American travel benefits. Dispatchers have the added benefit of jump seating. And as a Piedmont employee, you get the industry-leading health benefits and the fact that you get 3 days off in a week. It really makes it a great place to come to work. One of the benefits of working at a relatively smaller airline is that we get to know our crew members. And as a result, they become more than just co-workers, they become close friends in some circumstances. That kind of relationship, you probably don't see at a larger airline.